Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about black beans, and I've got a list of foods broken up into different categories that are known to pair well with black beans. So if you're looking for some ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category, including legumes, nuts, and seeds, we know that beef will go with black beans and chicken. Chickpeas also goes with them, eggs, pork, seafood, and tempeh. In the way of vegetables that go well with black beans, there's bell peppers, carrots, celery, chilies, chives, cucumbers, jicama, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, scallions, spinach, squash, as in winter squash, sweet potatoes, and tomatoes. In the way of fruits, avocados, citrus fruits, especially lemon, lime, and orange, mangoes, olives, and plantains. In the way of grains and grain products, there's corn, grains in general of all sorts, quinoa, which is actually a seed, but we treat it like a grain, rice, and tortillas. In the dairy and non-dairy foods, there's cheese and sour cream. And in the way of the other foods category, there's chocolate, believe it or not, coffee, liquid smoke, miso, oil, sherry, as in dry sherry, soy sauce, stock, as in vegetable stock, and vinegar. I do hope this helps to give you some ideas. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.